Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived Bennington. It's a 2024 and it's the new model. It's the S20. Lots of really cool things I'm going to go on over this boat. I'm going to start at the helm here, or at the bow of the boat. So nice big long bench seats. Really cool how they got the cup holders tucked down inside there. You put your drinks in there. It's got a place to hold your phone, other things. So a nice cutout layout. Really cool and new for this year. Same thing on the other side. Nice long benches, layout on. Coming over here to the co-captain's seat. Really cool new designs and texture. Combination of the smooth with the textured seats. Got the carbon with the silver and the blue coloring. This is a swing back. So you have the nice swing back here. You can sit facing the boat. Then you can switch this seat the other way, and then it'll go back that way, and then you can sit all back here. Very cool. Cup holders again, phone holder areas, cup holders. Then over here at the captain's chair. Very cool. New. The new helm. Got a nice phone holder right here. This really cool new sport dash, really sleek, low profile. I think it just has a nice, real sporty look with the Simrad all incorporated into it. Really cool. Got the Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Sounds good. This boat will be powered with the 150 Yamaha. We got the ski tow bar, and then of course the really cool lily pad easy fold ladder. So easy to put up and down. Awesome ladder. This boat will be at our store here in MarineMax. It'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. And you can call us at 864-236-9005. Come on out and check. We got a lot of Benningtons in inventory. Lots of great colors and models to choose from. Many great selections. Great time. Still a lot of warm weather out there. Get out on the lake. This is perfect time. Come on out and check the boat out. Thanks, guys.